Well, why? Trofam. I'll touch a candle lag. When you have no dinner, I dear Rini. Chijabal, I get taken at St. Joseph. It's taken at Santa Monica. I get taken at Santa Monica. It's taken at St. Rabbi. You know, I go up on growing, your dear Rini. I'll touch him when church, I'm not church. You know what's the charity on it? I love the charity condition within a church. Because the mirror, I say, mother is a mirror to the family, not the mirror to the church. You can't attend a church, give them a mayor and family, go touch them here. You go to church, you learn, you bring it home and establish it. You got church. I love you. Na kwenta tende we di ma Monica high on church. Monica wait. Di Monica okujiro di Monica wo credit territory na eri ni nation. Awu di money ma onye mu kan be bra bia him to like come agio. O ko him to like come agio. Adu me eri ni nation. About sama dem church because kem di iche. Awu mwada Jerusalem. Mwada Jerusalem hemu. Awu atamima. O mwada hemu. Asoko uru mwada asoko uru mwada sadana nkomoda. Asoko uru mwada Egypt. Obasade. Mama, you want last chance to get that. I'm going to report on that. I'm going to report. And what do you name? No competence. Uno Shaco. You don't have to give you holy way. A little Pama. Anyway, I took a our name is Jota. I'm not St. Teresa. I want St. Teresa. I'm going to church in Macago. Man, Nigel for the number. Come boys before I get long. Nigel for some time, make yourself from my happy of but so tell me yourself, me am to your support. Oh, my name married them. Why you never put here? I was so the door. I'm going to touch the pin. Why they want to come? Virgin Maria is so on a church before Joseph here. I got it. Have my church and got people. Hey! You have to put hands the caucus like you. No, the question is what I said, punish your husband to die for nothing. Your husband's supposed to be your number one priority. I'm not a three-farm. I'm tell you, you are walking around. Since morning, I have not eaten. You came back from burial. Now you are going for evening service again. Without considering that people at home will eat. You keep on fighting for things that has nothing to offer you. My soul matters a lot. My well-being matters a lot. This is where God lives and not upon glory. Don't worry, I'm coming to report you. By the time I'm done reporting you, I will restrict you from going around. I am your Lord. You're supposed to salvage me. I'm supposed to be your number one priority. Make sure I am okay before any other thing. Sarah, brother, my Lord. Well, I get see, you are from Imo State. And I am from Imo State. Producer from Imo State trying to carry his own brother from Imo State along is not a crime. Other states they do them. Other people they do them. Go to Yoruba land, go to the Yoruba industry. They do the same thing. Now, if I write a script, they say some of my crew members will suggest to me, bring the other artist, bring the other person. But I will insist that I must use my own brother from Imo State so that we'll carry ourselves along. But anytime you come to my set, it will be from one problem to another. You keep if you not quarrel with customer, you quarrel with welfare person. If you not quarrel with welfare person, you quarrel with the props. If you not quarrel, everybody will be complaining about you. Okay, presently now, I am writing another script that I want you to feature. I am writing a very big project that if I shoot that movie without you, it will make me look stupid.
Chief, I've been keeping quiet, allowing you to exercise or just to free yourself. I've been keeping quiet. I just decided on my own to allow you to talk. Now, you that is complaining and all, you see, I know in the first place, so many people have been coming to you just to make sure that they use me and buy favor from you. Most of these nonsense crew members, some of these actors, by the special grace of God, you're a big-time producer. And as God may have it, your brother is a good actor. I've never disappointed you. All these things you are complaining, which one is my fault? Which one is my offense? That I want to exercise my right as a registered DJ member, as an actor, as AGM member. I know my right as a producer. I know my right as an actor. I know my right as a DJ So what is my offense?
Apama, nobody is saying that you don't have offense. I know you.
Then why are you complaining?
You may not know.
Your brother, he hates your production.
No, it's not as if you hate my production. See, there is something where we say, if person do am, you're not going to say you are not doing it right.
Hapuga acting, Hapuga movie. My brother, if you want to give me work. You know very well that this YouTube of a thing has really crashed our business. I appreciate the fact that you are writing script and you remember me. But also protect me as your brother.
How will I protect you
when you want to embarrass me and insult me?
How can I protect you when you cannot protect yourself?
Is that why you're handling your
No, wait a minute. There are things you do as an actor that maybe you may be right, you might be fighting for your right, but the presentation is very, very wrong.
Chief,
you don't come out and make everybody see you as
they go sets. Now you call me, Sapama, you want to see me. I have to rush to your hotel.
So you want to walk out on me?
I'm not working out on you. Even now, let me warn you for the last time. You see that boy with your PA. You see that boy won that guy. There's something I wanted to report to you and the last time. You know that this guy went and bought welfare for me. No meat. I did not complain that one because if I complain that, you say, Apama, I complain too much. I do 18 manu.
But you know, at your age, you're not supposed to be eating meat.
Oh, but yeah.
At your age, when money
okay, that's at my age. You're not doing the other call them to fear. What nonsense? Allow me to shoot to the arrow.
With this tool.
Allow me to shoot to the arrow. Can we shoot to the arrow? Can we shoot to the arrow? Where want to see? Producer.
Actor. You and I, who they collect pass? I pay you 500,000 for film. They pay me 100K.
I get 4 important scenes to shoot for this guy. Come down and they come. I beg, if they type the script, let me know. Give one costumes to get job. Your job, shall I mean they carry my costume?
My costume, I say you carry it to go yesterday. And that's type of.
I tell the girls I like the shirt, so I go pay. When they go, I don't see her. You are paying her contract.
Oh, we have the team.
You know, thank you.
What do you expect her to fish?
I like the polo where the girl give me. Why you shoot the last scene?
You say me she call you. She was calling you, no pick at least.
How will I know that is her number? How will I know? A gym number?
What? She tested you.
No. Okay, 8,000.
You return the tax, and the team that mama. Even if say Mune uranya. Urugodu manya, urumanya, ihe mojare gị mma. Hapụ ga bele wenta ju anya. Urugodu nwoke anya, legodo anya. Legodo nwoke. Legodo te mmadụ ọrị. I kwesịrị gị tetu ha n'ụkụtụ ote. Gị le onwe gị na mirrors. Gị ure ni oche lele onwe gị. Gị tụgharịa lele anya n'elu. Si Chineke na ụzọ kpụrụ m nụ ịkpọọla ihe. Gị ekele onye mere gị arị ndụ because if you are not this, you are not this. It is only God that can transform you to look this better. We are not talking about material things, more every other thing. We are talking about you as a being, the life you are living, whom God has made it to become, a perfect being. Look at just Legodum. Oh, when they're like on this morning, I rushed her to hospital. This morning, I report that police now so many problems from east, west, north, and south has befallen a lot of people. But if you wake up and see yourself living as free as the bird of the air, so binigwe, bapuri egbe si nam si binigwe tanksa. Because imagine, I used to tell people, gi wuru nwa muramu, buru onye side anyị, mana inwe a touch of blood of ụmụaka n'ime ndụ gị. Ezigbote ihe kọrọ gị maka Chineke kere m na gị now. Amogo, you want a touch of ụmụaka in you. Aka na adogo. Ụmụaka na adagwa last. Ndị na-ama George agọ, mekwa mama macha George agọ ọnụ. Ya nwaanyị alụsiri ike lụkwa ihe ọma because no she do bi ukwu, alụghị ya ngo ukwu. Ihe ka ihe na-ejiri m legodi manya. I say what touch of blood of ụmụaka n'ime ndụ m. Nke bana m na agụ goshi ọnụ mmiri. Na-aga ọnụ mmiri na-agụ goshi m na. Ya mgbe ahụ ịghọtago ngwalele oluwa boy onwede otu ụmụaka si na ha onwe agado ebe ifudo tọrị ndị ọrịa agha bọọlụ ya na-ebiga mmadụ moto mmadụ bọọlụ ya na-ama aka ntụta mana give me a touch of blood of ụmụaka. Na 1, ị ga-adị intelligent. 2, ị ga-adị smart. 3, ị ga-ama Chineke. 4, ị ga-enwe ihe na-akpọ obligatority. So kudos to my brain and biko. Nwanta ka na ya. Nwanta ndị ụmụaka. Umere na ụmụaka, mamusi ụmụaka, lo ya na-ekwe. So ya mere anyị ji gbasike. Enwere ebe ọ karị were alụkwara mma m gị nkwe ya nwaanyị agbakpọ. Mana alụkwara ya ngarị mma. Kosi ndị ekwe ka ịnwe aka kelee, aka mọọlụ, aka zọọnụ. Ọ ga-arịrị unu na mma. Eshola m na-agafe umere na mụ na ahụ m na-aga with all pressure because ama m na nwa adị eme ya nwa adị abịa umere na ezizo ori ezizo. Oke mmadụ ka onye kwere efe ka ịkwagbuola onwe Chineke ihe nwa ụnụ nta bụ n'ụkwụ ọkwụ ụkwụ arị mma ka mbụ ihe chekọ